Welcome to A-1 Heating. We are furnace and air conditioning specialists in the St. Albert and surrounding area. Our business has been built on customer service. We have serviced the St. Albertan area for 31 years. To us, customer service means we care and we can do. We specialize in residential furnace and air conditioning installations, replacements, repairs on all makes and models of furnaces, repairs on all air conditioning makes and models. We also install air purification systems, humidifiers, furnaces and filters, and we also do furnace and duct cleaning. That is what we can do for you. Find out today why we pride ourselves in excellent service and reasonable prices.